Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. And here we see the 10 factors that are leading causes of weight gain and obesity. So we start the video. First is genetics. Obesity has a strong genetic component. Children of obese parents are much more likely to become obese than children of lean parents. That doesn't mean that obesity is completely predetermined. What you eat can have a major effect on which genes are expressed and which are not. Non-industrialized societies rapidly become obese when they start eating a typical Western diet. Their genes didn't change, but the environment and the signals they sent to their genes did. The second is junk foods. Heavily processed foods are often little more than refined ingredients mixed with additives. These products are designed to be cheap, last long on the shelf and taste so incredibly good that they are hard to resist. By making foods as tasty as possible, food manufacturers are trying to increase sales. But they also promote overeating. Third one is food addiction. Many sugar-sweetened, high-fat junk foods stimulate the reward centers in your brain. In fact, these foods are often compared to commonly abused drugs like alcohol, cocaine, nicotine and cannabis. Junk foods can cause addiction in susceptible individuals. These people lose control over their eating behavior, similar to people struggling with alcohol addiction losing control over their drinking behavior. Fourth is insulin. Insulin is a very important hormone that regulates energy storage, among other things. One of its functions is to tell fat cells to store fat and to hold on to the fat they already carry. The Western diet promotes insulin resistance in many overweight and obese individuals. This elevates insulin levels all over the body, causing energy to get stored in fat cells instead of being available for use. While insulin's role in obesity is controversial, several studies suggest that high insulin levels have a causal role in the development of obesity. The fifth one is certain medications. Many pharmaceutical drugs can cause weight gain as a side effect. For example, antidepressants have been linked to modest weight gain over time. Other examples include diabetes medication and antipsychotics. These drugs don't decrease your willpower. They alter the function of your body and brain, reducing metabolic rate or increasing appetite. The sixth is food availability. Another factor that dramatically influences people's waistline is food availability, which has increased massively in the past few centuries. Food, especially junk food, is everywhere now. Shops display tempting foods where they are most likely to gain your attention. Another problem is that junk food is often cheaper than healthy, whole foods, especially in America. Some people, especially in poorer neighborhoods, don't even have the option of purchasing real foods, like fresh fruit and vegetables. The seventh is sugar. Added sugar may be the single worst aspect of the modern diet. That's because sugar changes the hormones and biochemistry of your body when consumed in excess. This, in turn, contributes to weight gain. Added sugar is half glucose, half fructose. People get glucose from a variety of foods, including starches, but the majority of fructose comes from added sugar. The eighth one is lack of exercise. Exercise is too often at the bottom of our to-do lists. Because today's Indian tend to live a more sedentary lifestyle than our parents and grandparents, lack of exercise is a primary reason we're too fat. The ninth is we eating too fast. Many of us have a fast-paced existence. Unfortunately, eating fast results in eating too much before we're fully aware that we're full. The brain requires about 15 to 20 minutes to begin to signal feelings of fullness. The 10th is lack of sleep. Sleep deprivation increases the risk of obesity by boosting an appetite-stimulating hormone and lowering an appetite suppressor. Another study found that, compared to 8 hours of sleep, each hour decrease in sleep duration is linked to nearly 3% more body fat. So in this video we saw the top 10 reasons to become overweight. So please like and subscribe my channel PKD Knowledge. Thank you.